Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create ConvertKit subscriber on GoHighLevel form submission. So here I have added my GoHighLevel form on my website, and now with this form I'm generating new leads. Now here what I want is that I want to enhance my marketing strategy, and here for that what I need to do is that as I'm going to receive a new form submission from GoHighLevel and I'm going to receive my lead detail, then automatically by using that lead detail I want to create a new subscriber in ConvertKit. So here ConvertKit is my email marketing platform, and now for my objective I have to build a connection between GoHighLevel and ConvertKit. So for building this connection I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new form submission through my form of GoHighLevel, then automatically by using that form submission detail I'm going to create a new subscriber in ConvertKit. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create ConvertKit subscriber on GoHighLevel form submission. So here we are going to integrate GoHighLevel with ConvertKit. So in this video we will explore how to streamline our email marketing efforts by automatically creating a ConvertKit subscriber whenever someone submits a form on GoHighLevel. So if you are using GoHighLevel to capture leads for your businesses, then you know how important it is to follow up with potential customers quickly and effectively. However, manually transferring lead information from GoHighLevel to your email marketing platform like ConvertKit can be time consuming and prone to errors. So by automating this process, every time a lead submits a form on GoHighLevel, their information is automatically added to your ConvertKit subscriber list, and this ensures that they are immediately enrolled in your email sequence or newsletters. So this will help you in nurture the relationships and move them further down the sales funnel without any delay. And here in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this integration using Pabbly Connect. So by setting up this integration, you can focus on engaging your leads rather than on data entry. So here by simply integrating GoHighLevel with ConvertKit, we can enhance our email marketing efforts, and we can automatically create new subscribers in ConvertKit from GoHighLevel form submission. So here for my objective, what I need to do is I need to build this connection between GoHighLevel and ConvertKit without any coding and programming skills. For that, we just need to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I need to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create ConvertKit subscriber on GoHighLevel form submission. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of GoHighLevel. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on Create. And here this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Now here in this window, we have two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So we need to first set up our trigger, and here for setting up our trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application. So here my trigger application is going to be Lead Connector V2, and by using Lead Connector V2, I'm going to connect my GoHighLevel form. So here I need to search for my trigger application, that is going to be Lead Connector. So I'm going to select Lead Connector V2 here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I need to scroll down, and here I have this option of form submitted. So this is going to be my trigger event, and this is going to trigger when a form is submitted. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect lead connector v2 with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between lead connector v2 or GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now I need to take you to my GoHighLevel account. And here in my GoHighLevel account, I need to first select my sub account or the account that I want to use here. And after selecting the account, I need to go to automation. And here in automation, I need to create a new workflow. So for creating a new workflow, I need to click here on this create workflow button. I need to click on start from scratch. And now here I need to set up my workflow. Now here first I need to give the name to my workflow. So I'm going to first click on this pencil icon button. And I'm going to clear this default name. And I'm going to name it as ConvertKit subscriber. And here I have given the name to my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first set up my workflow. And here in my workflow I need to first give my trigger. So I'm going to first click on this plus icon button to add a new trigger. And here I need to search for my trigger as form submitted. So here in this tab of search trigger, I'm going to search for form submitted. And here I have this option of form submitted. So I'm going to select this as my trigger. So I'm going to click here. And now here I've selected my trigger and I need to give my trigger name. So I'm going to keep the default name, that is form submitted, and I need to click on save trigger. Now after adding the trigger, I need to add my actions tab. So I'm going to click on this plus icon button. And here in my action, I need to search for webhook. So I'm going to select webhook as my action. And by using webhook, I'm going to send the detail of the new form submission from GoHighLevel to Pabbly Connect. So here first I need to select the method, and in the method I need to select post, so it is already selected. Now I need to give my URL. So here in this tab of URL, I'm going to paste the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here, and I have successfully added my webhook. Now what I need to do is I need to add webhook as my action. So I'm going to click on save action button. And here I have successfully created this workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first publish this workflow. And I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully saved my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to first create a form submission for my GoHighLevel form. So here, as I'm going to create a form submission, then automatically I will get that response here in Pabbly Connect as a webhook response. And for all the new form submission in GoHighLevel, I will receive the response here in Pabbly Connect. So for this, what I need to do is I need to go back to GoHighLevel. And now I need my form. So I'm going to go back. And here first I need to go to sites. And here in sites, I have this option of forms. So I'm going to open this. And here in forms, we can create new form. We can add new forms, and we will see all the forms that we have created in GoHighLevel. So here I have this lead form that I want to use, and I have added this lead form in my website too, so that as a new lead that is interested in my business can fill that form, and I can get the detail of all the leads from that form submission. So here I'm going to use this lead form. So I'm going to open this. And by using this lead form, I'm going to get all the detail of my lead for my business. And now what I need to do is I need to first preview this form. So here this is my form, and now I can create a form submission for this form. So here I have to fill all these details like the first name, last name, email, and the phone number. I'm going to fill dummy details here. So I'm going to fill the detail as a new lead. So here the first name will be John, last name will be Doe, email will be johndoe@pabblytudes.com. And I'm going to give a random phone number. And here I have successfully added all the detail of my lead. Now I'm going to agree to terms and condition, and I need to click on submit. So here I have successfully submitted my form. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have my workflow name, that is ConvertKit subscriber. And also here I have the name of my account, that is Pabbly Connect. And here I have received all these details of my lead. So here I have the full name of my lead, that is John Doe. I have the first name, that is John. I have the last name, that is Doe. Also I have received the email address, that is johndoe@pabblytudes.com. and I have my contact source or my form name, that is lead form, and I have received this random phone number of my lead. Now here I have received all these details of my lead, and now what I need to do is that by using this form submission detail, I want to create a new subscriber in my ConvertKit account, so that as I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically to start my email sequence and to start my email marketing for my lead, I need to add the subscriber in my ConvertKit account. So ConvertKit is my email marketing platform, and by using ConvertKit, I can start my drip email sequence so that I can leverage my lead and I can try to convert that lead into a potential customer. Now for adding the subscriber in ConvertKit, I need to add my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I need to first search for my action application. So here my action application is going to be ConvertKit. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and add subscriber to a sequence will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I need to connect ConvertKit with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting ConvertKit with Pabbly Connect, I need to give an API key and the API secret. So how I'm going to get all these details? For that, I need to first log into my ConvertKit account, and after logging to my ConvertKit account, I need to go to account settings. So I have already logged into my ConvertKit account, so I'm going to take you there. And now here I need to go to account settings. So I need to first go to my profile, and here in profile I need to go to settings. Now here in settings I need to scroll down, and I have this option of advanced. So I'm going to open this, and here in advanced settings I have this option of API. So here we can see I have this API key and the API secret. So I'm going to first show my API secret, and here I have all these details like the API key and the API secret. Now what I need to do is I need to copy these details and I need to paste them in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to first copy these details and I'm going to paste them in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take it to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect I have added these details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save, and I have connected ConvertKit with Pabbly Connect. Now first, for creating a subscriber in ConvertKit, what I need to do is I need to give my sequence ID. So in my ConvertKit account, I only have one sequence, that is of welcome. So I want to use this as my sequence ID, and in this particular sequence, I want to create my subscriber. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to fill all these details. So here I need to use all the detail of my lead that I have received through GoHighLevel form submission, and by using those details, I'm going to create a new subscriber in ConvertKit. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the responses from my previous tab of GoHighLevel, and I'm going to map those details here in these tab, and I need to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So here for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of lead connector v2, and I need to first map the email address of my lead. So here this is the email address of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Now I need to give the first name, so I'm going to click here. I will open this response of lead connector v2, and here this is the first name, that is John, so I'm going to map this. Now if I want to give any tag, I can first create a tag in ConvertKit, and I can add that tag to my subscriber. But here I don't want to give any tag, so I'm not going to create any tag here. Now what I need to do is I need to give my last name, so I'm going to click here. I will open this response of lead connector v2, and here this is my last name, that is Doe, so I'm going to map this, and I'm going to map the mobile number or the phone number. So here I have mapped all the required detail, and now as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive new form submission detail from GoHighLevel, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new lead detail from the form submission in the real time. So every time I'm going to receive a new lead detail from GoHighLevel, then automatically I will create a new subscriber in ConvertKit with that lead details. Now I need to click on Save and Send Test to Get button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new subscriber in ConvertKit. So I have created the subscriber by using all the detail of my form submission that I have received through GoHighLevel, and by using my lead detail, I have created a new subscriber. So to check this, let me take you to ConvertKit. I will go back to my account, and here I need to go to Grow, and I'm going to open subscribers. Now here in subscribers, I need to scroll down, and here in subscribers we can see I have created this new subscriber that has the first name as John. So I'm going to open this, and here we can see I have created the subscriber in ConvertKit with this email address, that is johndoe@pabblytudes.com. I have the first name as John, I have the last name that is Doe, and also here I have this random mobile number of my lead. So here we can see I have automatically created this subscriber in my sequence that is of welcome. So this was my sequence where I have created the subscriber, and I have automatically created the subscriber by using GoHighLevel form submission. And as I have received a new lead through my GoHighLevel form submission, then automatically I have added that lead as a subscriber in my ConvertKit account. So here I have successfully created this automation between GoHighLevel and ConvertKit. And now as I'm going to receive a new form submission or a new lead detail from my GoHighLevel form submission, then automatically by using those details of the lead, I'm going to create a new subscriber in ConvertKit. Now to check this again in real time, I'm going to take you back to GoHighLevel, and I'm going to again preview this lead form. And here I need to fill all these details of my lead again. So the first name will be Michael, last name here will be Karis, email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com, and I'm going to give a random phone number. And here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on I agree to terms and condition, and I'm going to click on submit. And now here, as I have submitted this form, what should happen is that automatically by using all these lead details that I have just filled in my form submission, a new subscriber should be added in my ConvertKit sequence. So to check this, let me take you back to ConvertKit. I will go back to subscribers, and here in subscribers we can see I have created this new subscriber which is named as Michael. So I'm going to open this. So here I have successfully created this lead, and the email is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. I have the first name that is Michael, I have the last name that is Karis, and here this is the random phone number of my lead. Now also I have added this in the sequence of welcome, and here we can see I have created this subscriber with all the detail of my lead that I have just filled in my form submission of GoHighLevel. So here by successfully using all the detail of my lead from my form submission, I have created a new subscriber in ConvertKit. So here I have successfully created this connection and this automation between GoHighLevel and ConvertKit to automatically create ConvertKit subscriber from GoHighLevel form submission. So I have created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this connection between Lead Connector v2 and ConvertKit to automatically create ConvertKit subscriber on GoHighLevel form submission. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Lead Connector v2, and my trigger event was form submitted. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was ConvertKit, and my action event was add subscriber to a sequence. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.